Hey there friends, let's go and do our 7th DSP Paper Share sketch project. This one features the delightfully electric paper again, and actually these are the scraps from the project I shared a few weeks ago. Here are the layers I started with. This is the DSP that was left over from before. All I've done is cut the 2x2 squares along the corners to make triangles. I dry embossed this layer of fresh freesia with the exposed brick 3D folder. Then I set about to make my sentiment tag. I have the Biggest Wish stamp set, my fresh freesia marker, my memento black ink, and I'm using a die from the Something Fancy dies. Okay, so I inked up my block thanks stamp with my fresh freesia marker. I don't have that color ink pad, so use those markers when you need to. Then I stamped over the top of that first thanks with the secondary thanks using my memento black ink. Okay, here are all of our layers to put together our card. First, I'm going to cover the front of my white card base with my fresh freesia dry emboss layer. Just add a thin layer of the liquid glue to the back side. Then go ahead and position it on the front of your card. I usually line up my top and side and then just place it down. The liquid adhesive will allow you to adjust a little bit if you do it before it sets. Now let's make our focal point. Have the 3x3 square plus 2 of your corners. Use liquid adhesive on 2 opposing corners and then add 2 of the triangles to the back side of your 3x3 square. When that was done, I popped it up on the front of my card with the dimensionals, and I'm going to add that sentiment with dimensionals as well. Now our 1x6 strip of scrap is going on the inside of our card. Just go ahead and put some liquid adhesive on the back side, then position it along the edge of the inside of your card and use those paper snips to trim off that extra ½ of an inch. And there we go, the inside of our card is embellished with just a little bit of DSP. So there we go, number 7 of our DSP Paper Share sketch projects. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'll be back soon with some more fun projects to share.